Hello student, in this video we will be learning about channel capacity. See the next problem. It is also a session reason type of question. What is a session given? Channel capacity of an infinite bandwidth channel is only finite. We already seen the Shannon limit also. What is the channel capacity we got? Channel capacity we got as 1.44 S by N naught. S correct statement. Reason, signal power is limited but not the noise power is not. If this statement is true, if noise power is infinity, S by N, so that will be coming as a 1 finite by infinity, so 0, 1 plus 0, 1 log 1 is 0. So channel capacity will be coming as a 0. But we got the channel capacity is 1.44 S by N naught, means the second statement does not have any particular thing, means the reason is not a correct statement. If reason is not a correct statement, then what is the answer? Directly go for option D. What is the option A? Both are correct, reason is correct explanation. Option B, both are correct, reason is not a correct explanation. Option C, assertion is correct, reason is wrong. Option D, reason is wrong, assertion is correct, reason is wrong. So here reason statement itself is wrong. So if it is wrong directly, I can make it. Getting my point or not?